I got you right now, though.
Yeah.
What's good?
It's the sticks. Hit that subscribe button.
Facts.
Hit that ring bell. Like. Comment. If you hate, I'm fucking you up. Am I supposed to curse on YouTube? I don't know how that works.
I don't worry. I beep
Subscribe to my guy.
I beep it. I beep it. Let me park. What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite BMW 440,000. Back. Oh, it's hot as heck. Oh man, it's hot as a lot. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, y'all, but look. Woo, it's what? How I have no gas? I have no gas again, bro, and I'm literally in a rush, bro. Yo, y'all need to subscribe. Y'all need to watch the ads, cause your boy needs some money, bro. Look at this. What's going on? Somebody drove my car when I was gone. Maybe it's an air. Let me turn it off and on. Maybe it was an air, bro. Can you see? Yep, that's no air. Sheesh, I need some gas. But look, guys, your boy, as you guys know, or if you don't know, I play volleyball. Not volleyball. I did play volleyball, but I play softball on Mondays. And today, I have a game at 6:30. It's 6:01. I gotta drive like 30 minutes away. I'm always late. I don't even know why. This guy's need to hurry up, cause I am late, bro. Super duper late. Super duper late sticks. That's gonna be my new YouTube name. Super duper late sticks. Listen, guys, I try to be on time, bro. Hey, Steve Harvey said it. He said the most successful people are on time. I mean, are late. You know, cause they don't. You know, they be less stressed or something like that. Something like that, he said. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. That's what he said, not me. So I put 20 bucks, bro, because I needed something fast. $20 does not do jack nada to this car, bro. It only got me 80 miles. Or it says, what, 88 miles, bro. By the time I get there, I'm going to have no gas. By the time I get back home, I'm going to have to put gas again, bro. This is crazy, bro. Oh, that's... But I need to hurry up. It says we get there at, oh my god, it says we get there at 6:30 exactly, and that's game time. That's when the game's supposed. Oh, is there? Well, I did not see that light, but listen, that's the time that the game's supposed to start at. It says, and then that's when I get there, which is not a good thing because your boy never stretches before games, and every time I don't stretch, I always come out of the game hurt, you know, or I pull something or something like that. So I didn't want that to happen today, but I should have left earlier, man. Fudge. Oh my god, I always, you know what my problem is, guys? My problem is that I always think I have time and I don't. I'd be like, nah, I still got time. Nah, I still got time. And next thing you know, I'm rushing and then I don't have time. And now we're here, bro. Nah, I am not making this line, bro. I'm skipping everybody, bro. Forget that. That is a major dub. Who's gonna be falling asleep? You? Thank you. Wake up, bro. You fell asleep back there, man. We in a rush right now. We cannot be really lagging out here. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic there on the way there too. Maybe we can do some cutting up since we're already late. But we also don't want to get pulled over either. So still gonna be kind of, we're still gonna be careful and whatnot. But I need to get there. Let's go. Be on the lookout for police. I remember last time I got pulled over here. Apparently, according to the cops, I was going 95. I was definitely not going 95, but apparently he clocked me at 95. I was definitely not doing 95, but I wasn't gonna argue. I was already late, and then I got hella tickets that day too. Oh, he cutting up. We following him. Oh, he cutting up crazy. I don't want any problem. Oh, he cutting up crazy though. Damn, he in a rush. He more than in a rush than me. Oh goodness. Now this guy's going into that lane. I was about to do that same thing. This other guy going into the lane too. What's up with y'all, bro? Yo, my intake sounds crazy right now. That air right now going. Nah, everybody cutting up. Is everybody in a rush? Late? Where they going, bro? I know I'm in a rush to get to the game, but what's up with everybody else? Cruising in comfort though, guys. Mexico highway speed limits be dumb high, bro. That's why I love living in Mexico. So cool over here. Cause the speed limit is like different than the US. That's why I moved from over there, bro. The US is not it. Oh, and there's police over there. Chill. Slow my roll. Oh, is that a cop right in front? Oh no, that's not even a cop. That's one of the I don't know, like a police help thingy. Let me get out his way just in case. Oh, he got a flat tire. Nah, but that BMW was out. I don't know if it was a 340 though. It was a 3 Series for sure, but I don't know if it was a 340 or what. I was trying to look, guys. I had 88. When I last told you guys, I had 88 miles left of gas. Now I have 76. That thing needs to be checked out. That's it. That shit goes down way too fast, bro, for my liking. You heard? Way too fast, bro. Why y'all brake like that, bro? For what? Like, there's no traffic in front and people just want to be braking for no reason, bro. And I can't even cut them. They're all like in a information right now. What is this? Freaking the army? Nah, what's up, bro? Hey, we cut it down 2 minutes so far. Since we get there at 6:27 now. Oh man, we out, man. Trying to be safe, of course. We don't want to get, you know, we don't want to do something stupid either, and then we end up regretting it for a freaking softball game. So we're just gonna be cruising, seeing what's up, man. This guy's braking hard. I wanted to get a car wash today too, but I didn't have time. So probably, I know it's supposed to rain sometime this week, so maybe I wait until, let me see, maybe until after the rain. I'll check right now. Let's see. It says gonna rain today and late, and then tomorrow. So maybe I'll get a car wash Wednesday. Probably Wednesday I'll get a car wash. Let's go over here. I really enjoy driving this car, guys. Get yourself a 440,000, bro. You won't regret it. You hear me? You hear me? Damn, bro, I'm gonna put you on right now. If your lips are chapped, if your skin is dry, yeah, get this right here, Aquaphor, man. This shit is elite, bro. Vaseline works, you know, about the same. This is pretty much the same as Vaseline, but I honestly, bro, I don't go anywhere without this, bro. I have a little one too, but I don't know where it's at. It's probably somewhere. But hey, this is the best thing ever, bro. I use that shit everywhere, bro. My lips, my dry ass skin sometimes, everywhere, bro. But right now it's kind of melted because it was hot in here. But this is the real deal, bro. I use it in my hands when I feel like they're a little dry. Damn, I can't even. There we go. I just need a little bit. Yeah. Now we're ready to go, man. These are my racing gloves. There's a Toyota right behind me. I don't know what he's trying to do, but hey, look, ma, no hands on. I don't know where I was going with that. I thought that was a song. I'm always like looking left, right, behind me, everywhere, bro. Just looking out for the police, man. Cause I'm not one of those, like, you know, crazy drivers that just be dipping on the cops, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I did that one time in Mexico, bro. Disappear. Actually, I did it twice in Mexico. One time I got away. The other time I was gonna take off, but then I didn't, and I pulled over. I was like, I was already late. I didn't want to, you know, risk my life, so I pulled over, and he probably, like, he knew I could probably get away. Like, my car's fast enough to get away, but he liked that I didn't run, so he said that, and so that's why he didn't give me a ticket. He gave me a warning. He's like, stop doing this stupid shit, like, you know, what's the point of this? I was like, yeah, you're right. Like, that's why I pulled over. And then he's like, a lot of you guys, young kids in BMWs, like, they would just take off on us, but he liked that I didn't take off, so that's why he didn't give me a ticket. And I was lit, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Mexico parties be different. So I was dumb lit, and he pulled me over doing donuts, and so I was gonna take off, but I didn't. And then, yeah, he let me go, man. So ever since then, I just don't do that stuff, man. It's not even worth it, bro. One, you risk getting in an accident and you might hurt yourself or whoever's with you or the other person, so it's not even worth it, bro. So, you know, just pull your ass over, man. Take the ticket, bro. And honestly, I don't think I'm confident enough to be like on a police chase, bro. Imagine it's like 30 cops, bro. My heart's gonna be pounding on my chest, bro. 30 cops chasing me. Oh my god, bro. I would be so scared, and my mom would be like, no, it's not worth it, bro. Fuck that. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Enjoy the car when I can, and then sometimes I just be chilling, bro. Like right now, I haven't even put the car in sport. We just been, you know, in comfort S. It's probably a good highway to cut out, but there's just so many potholes, like random places and stuff, that, you know, it is what it is, man. This guy, yeah, get out the way if you're not gonna go. You got places to be, people to see, home runs to hit, plays to make. Hey, I'm kind of a rapper. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna put it in sport for you guys, man. I know I'll be wasting all my gas for you guys, but whatever. Nah, bro, I ain't not gonna let you go. You're gonna have to wait for me. Word. But that's the bumps I be talking about. Oh, there's a bike coming at 1,000 right behind me too. Go, bro, go, bro. Yeah. Oh, I need to get over there actually. Yeah, them shits move, bro. That thing got the pops too. Why he was looking back? He thought I was gonna chase you? I would have if I went that way. You didn't want the smoke, bro. 2 miles, so I can let me go over here. I said, look, ma, no dance, no, I got nothing. Gotta love driving in Mexico, man. And we're gonna be, oh man, the time went up now. It says 6:28. Hopefully the coach was lying and the game starts, because he'd be lying, because he knows that it's a bunch of Spanish people on the team, and so he'd be saying like the game is earlier than what it is, so we get there on time, because he knows we always late. Dang, I really wanted to stretch before the game, bro. Oh my god, this is gonna suck. But hey, this car always amazes me, bro, every time I get in it. There's a couple things that's wrong with it, man, but it doesn't like hurt the way it drives. Kinda does, because my suspension is trash. I need an alignment. Man, I'm about to start a car OnlyFans, bro, so we can freaking go crazy on this car, so we can actually like make it look fire, bro. Y'all be down to watch my car OnlyFans? Open an OnlyFans for the car, bro, just so we can get some money, just to make the car look nice, so that the videos just look better, I guess. I don't even know, bro. Just to make the car better, man. Is this my exit? I guess so. Let me put my window down. Damn, this window's dumb how loud out there. Let's say, look, my no dance. Alright. Oof. I should open the back one instead. Oh yeah, I know I'm not gonna be the only one late, because my team always late. There's no cameras. How'd that sound, guys? Downshifts though. Well, I feel like it's wasting less gas now that I put it in sport, because it hasn't went down from 78 as soon as I put it in sport. Make it make sense. In comfort, it wastes gas. In sport, it wastes, but I guess it's not wasting it right now. I don't know, bro. Oh my god, I fucking love this car, bro. It just sounds so good, y'all. Like, it's so nice. Like those upshifts and downshifts, like diff. Look at this jump. Goodness, bro. I love it. Love it. It brings a smile to my face every single time I drive this car, bro. The only part that is a bummer, I never have gas, man. Shit. I swear, guys, listen, I do be putting gas in this car, bro. I do. It freaking goes out. Oh, them downshifts is crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all though, I don't be filling up the tank. I always put it like halfway. People say keep it over halfway. Well, I keep it below halfway until we open the OnlyFans. Oh my god, that shit sounds like it threw flames, bro. It's a camera. Oh, it's a light, camera light. We almost there though. Nah, today is extra aggressive. What's up, bro? Yo, Sticksmobile, what the heck? Who honking? 440,000. What's wrong with you, man? Why you acting crazy right now? You acting like you never been driven before, man. You being loud, bro. Oh, camera. Oh, picture. Oh, picture. Oh, picture. More picture. Oh, I see the. Oh, what is that? 850. 850,000. Oh, this guy trying to go in here. My fault, gangy. In your Honda Pilot. That is a Pilot, right? Or Touring. Yeah, Pilot Touring. Who the hell you honking at, ugly? Hey. What's up? Oh, that's my teammate. That was my teammate. That's why he was honking at me. I was like, who the hell's honking at me? I was like, what the f? That's my boy. We here though. We made it. Barely. Alright. Well, that's enough for you, sport. You did me wonders today, man. Good job. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video, man. Subscribe if you guys are new. Yo, watch them ads. Bro, just share the videos, man. Tell people to subscribe, bro. Let's grind, bro. Let's go crazy. Let's get some freaking views, man, so we can keep on grinding. And then, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.